Hi YouTube fam, welcome back to my channel. I'm giving you guys a big hug. I feel like I haven't seen or talked to you guys in so long. Do you want to come say hi? Yeah, come here. Help. You want me to bring you over here? Okay. Say hello, everybody. Do you want to show them your adorable nice warm outfit? You guys haven't seen Penelope in a long time either. Do you want to tell them your new word? Can you say happy?
Happy.
Oh! Okay guys, you ready for a laugh? Ready for a laugh for your day? Can you say grass?
Ass.
Aren't little kids the best? Like, they're seriously the best. I know a lot of you guys watching this probably found my channel from maybe some of my mommy videos, some of my miscarriage videos, some of my rainbow baby videos, because you are. Mommy's turn. What do you want me to draw? You want me to put it in here? Run? Okay, mommy's gonna film this video and then I'll come draw chalk with you, okay? You can help me? We're gonna look what's in this box. So, today's video is a Fabfitfun unboxing. You wanna see what's in here? So, if you guys missed my last Fabfitfun box, it was titled Canceling My Fabfitfun, because I had canceled my membership and I asked you guys, you know, hey, are these videos something you guys like to see? Because, you know, there is a little bit of money investment in these. I think they're $49.99 per box. I like to get the seasonal subscription where you pay up front for a year, but you get a discount and then you also get special perks. Oh my goodness, I'm already seeing something so sweet. What is that? The first thing she picked out. Can I see? Do you want to show them? It's Butin IQ Beauty. But these are the Guardian Angel Revitalizing Eye Gels. How sweet. Anything with the word Guardian Angel on it, I'm like, especially if it's a beauty product, I'm like, so cute. I love that aesthetic. The world, my dogs, I have, no. Anyways, I do have 3 dogs if you are new to the channel and they are running around. Oh, she really wants the box closed. Okay. Oh. But anyways, what I was saying is I'm like, I think everybody could use extra things in their life that say Guardian Angel on them. Oh, wow. Where do you want me to put this? You want blue. Beautiful.
Yeah.
So these retail for $25. It says place these hyaluronic acid infused eye gels on the under eye area to reduce any puffiness. If you're a mom watching this, you're probably like, yes! So as I was kind of talking about in the beginning, this is one of those items. Yes, baby. Sorry guys, this video might be stop and go. Every time I talk, she gets really upset. Okay, so as I was saying, now Penny's quiet and now the dogs are going at it. Honestly, guys, this is why I haven't been pumping out the videos as much. It is a little bit harder to get some alone time to film, and then when I do get alone time, there's other things that need to be attended to, So as we were saying, this is one of those items that...
Mommy?
Yeah, you're helping me explain. You're helping me.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is one of those items that I got to choose because I did renew my annual membership, so...
Mommy? Nom.
Yes. Should we get a snack? That's a good idea. Do you want a snack?
Pen.
Yeah? Do you want some crackers? Yeah? Okay, let's go. We'll be right back. Maybe the snack will help. So next is actually a Fabfitfun pick, and they are some scrunchies, which I'm actually happy about. But like, for example, it says that these retail for $25. I don't know who in their right mind would pay $25 for these scrunchies. And to be honest, you guys, these are not very good quality scrunchies. Like, I actually have some scrunchies for Penelope that were from the dollar store, and these feel very similar quality. I don't mean to be negative Nancy. I'm just trying to be honest for you guys, you know? So anyways, I'll probably use these. I love cheetah print, but are these my highest quality scrunchies? No. Next thing was a Fabfitfun pick, and it's by the brand Phase Zero. It looks like it is a silky smooth formula blush that blends seamlessly into the skin for a gorgeous full color effect. So this retails for $27. I've never heard of this brand. This one I'm probably going to save in the box and save for maybe a Christmas gift. I'm not crazy about blushes, but I do think this is a really pretty peachy color. See? I know, baby. He's actually on the other side, so we can't see him right now. Yeah, I hear him though. I hear him too. Oh, look, I think this is like a surprise item, which is, you want to try some? Oh, thanks, Fabfitfun. So they threw in this kind bar. It's dark chocolate, nuts, and sea salt. Let's see. You want to try? Okay. Yes. Yes, I'm going to open it for you. Let's see. That bar is actually really good. Penelope ended up not wanting any, but next item I did pick as well. It's the Dr. Brandt Pore Dermabrasion Pore Perfecting Exfoliator. I've noticed lately my pores have been huge, and so when I saw this on there, I was like, yes. Retails for $58, which is a pretty hefty price tag, and Dr. Brandt is actually a really good brand. So this is an item, you know, like the blush and the hair ties, like they're kind of unknown brand names, but they do include a lot of really good brand name products as well. So this says it helps refine the appearance of pores, deep cleans pores, helps smooth the appearance of pores and skin texture. This is exactly what I need right now. Sorry if I have chocolate on my mouth or my teeth, by the way. And it says it's for all skin types. If you've tried this, let me know how it worked for you. I'm really curious. So again, and if you see anything in this unboxing that you've tried and have experience with, let me know in the comment section. I'm sure it'll help other people out too. So next was a Fabfitfun pick. It is by the brand Wish. I've never heard of this brand either, actually. It retails for $20. And it is a vanilla bean lip scrub. Gently exfoliates, smooths, and softens. Ooh, paraben-free, sulfate-free, phthalate-free, DEA and T-free, petrochemical-free, cruelty-free. It has brown sugar, raspberry seed, bamboo powder. Are you okay? Oh, you did. You heard the pup. It also has shea butter, raspberry butter, aloe, vitamin E extract, avocado oil. So this looks amazing. I'm so torn. I don't know if I'm going to keep this or use it. I did just open up a lip scrub that my sister had gotten me from Ulta. So the only thing that sucks, and again, this happens, like last Fabfitfun box, a lot of the stuff was damaged in it, but the box is damaged. So I don't know. What do you guys think? Is it cheesy to give this as a gift even though the box is messed up? She's saying boots and cats. Boots and cats. Boots and cats. Boots and cats. Thank you for letting mommy talk. You are being so kind right now. I appreciate it. I think this is actually a really good item. Look at all the crows, babe. Wow. So fun little side story. Penelope and I come outside a lot. And we have big crows and a hawk that always flies by and visits us. And we talk to them like they can understand them. Huh? Boots and cats. So we get really excited when we see the birds. Okay, anyways, there's that. Boots and cats. Thank you, baby. You are being so kind to mommy. I really appreciate it. So this next item. What did you see? Yeah? Oh, the birds. They are sitting up there, babe. So this next item, actually everybody got to choose from a couple different things, and I picked the Impressions Vanity Touch Highlight LED Makeup Mirror. I'm so excited. This, I specifically, I'm like, I needed this. I've been in the market for a new mirror like this that lights up. It retails for $45. So this alone kind of pays for the box for me. I mean, the box is $49.99, but between these two, like, again, this retails for $58. You do still get a bang for your buck, you know what I mean? Even despite some of the I guess non-branded things, you know what I mean? So this is why I keep coming back to Fabfitfun, is they put these amazing items in there that just, it's like, wow, I can't believe I'm getting such a good deal, you know? So okay, 2 more items, guys, we can do this. So next item retails for $68, and it is a beautiful set. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. It is a set of Kate Spade earrings, and it comes with the little duster bag and everything. Oh my gosh, this, again, this is just one of those items that makes this box like worth it, you know what I mean? So I actually had this in mind for somebody for a Christmas present. I think she watches my videos, so I won't say who, but I'm looking at these and it is gonna be so hard to give these up. They're just so pretty. They're right up my alley. Like, this is the type of jewelry that I like to wear when I wear jewelry. And I'll be honest, I don't have a pair of like real earrings. I always buy like Forever 21 or Walmart, which, it's weird. As I'm getting older, my ears are starting to get infected now. I used to be able to wear dollar store earrings, and now as I'm getting older, like, they get infected so easily. Does anybody else have that issue? It's so weird. So anyways, I think these are a really pretty item, like amazing, and everybody got to choose from these. So I think that's awesome. She's being a little too quiet. I'm so sorry. One more break. Who was that to? Yeah, you were yelling at the pup-pups. So this last item is by a brand called Flight Mode Skincare. I've never heard of them, but I really love the packaging. It's their high altitude hydration mask. See? Yeah, we'll go see in a second, okay? I'm almost done. But it says all skin types can use a boost of hydration. Sit back, relax, and get some beauty sleep while Australian wildberry harvest and hyaluronic acid work to hydrate and plump your skin. Love that word, plump skin. Oh, I want that. Our leave-in mask is infused with aloe vera and cucumber extract, so you will wake up feeling soothed and refreshed. The best part, no wash off necessary. Now you're on your direct route to dewy, healthy, moisturized, and hydrated results. I think this is perfect for them to put in the winter box. Everybody's skin gets dry in the winter, and I thought this might be a dupe for the yeah. Oh, Penny wants to film. But I thought this might be a dupe for that, is it not Sunday Riley? You know, in that like blue tube. Oh, the name of the brand is escaping me. Sunday Riley. Oh. What did you do? She just pulled down her pants and her diaper. And she's never done that before. Oh my god, that was the funniest thing ever. She's just discovered butts too. She's like really into butts. But anyways, I thought this would be a dupe for that really popular, it actually sounded just like the Sunday Riley, Saturday Riley, the if you know, you know. Type it down below for me. It's escaping me at the moment. But anyways, I wanted to try this out. Thank you guys so much for your patience. Thank you for hanging with me. Yeah! Isn't that pretty? This is Mommy's favorite thing in the box too. Yeah, we're gonna keep it in the bag so it stays pretty. You can hold it though in the bag. If you are watching this, I am sending you so much love, kindness, and compassion, especially if you need it. Sending you off with a hug. Also, if you got to the end of this video, if you bared with me this whole video, comment down below one thing that made you happy today. It could be the silliest thing, like a warm cup of coffee or eating eggs for breakfast instead of oatmeal or something, or it can be something really exciting. Comment that down below. Also, I wanted to tell you guys too, if you're hanging out till the end, you're probably my OG fam. And you might have noticed that I don't comment back on every comment like I used to. I used to really make it a point to comment back for every single comment. It just got so overwhelming, and I don't have the time to sit on my phone for that long anymore, you know, so I'm really sorry, but just know I'm gonna start loving every comment. So if I love it, just know I saw it, I absorbed it, and I appreciate it. Okay, I love you guys. This girl wants mommy to play with her. I'll catch you guys in the next video.